He is the Tinfoil chef, a man with a video love.
Hey all, how's it going? After looking over my feedback the other day from the question I asked, I decided that the template that I've been using for my videos isn't such a bad thing. That maybe I should vary the content a little bit, and so I'm not going to do quite as much on the exercise bike thing, although I'm still going to be doing it and still putting in time on it. And of course, I'm sure at least some people noticed I didn't do a video yesterday. That's because I decided that because yesterday was my birthday, that I wasn't going to bother doing much of anything. And so I didn't. The only thing I did yesterday was to spend almost the entire day and most of the night watching Stargate SG-1. I watched most of the 6th season. Other than that, I didn't do anything. But I figured, what the heck. If there was ever a day that you should call your own, it's your birthday. And so that's what I did. I didn't count calories. I didn't put any significant amount of exercise time in. Nothing. A little bit, but not very much. Most of it, I'm parked in front of the computer watching Stargate, trying to figure out in the back of my mind how to do the Stargate Kawoosh in Blender. I know it can be done because I've seen plenty of videos on YouTube showing it where people have done it that way. I've even seen a couple of tutorials. One of them is for 3ds Max, and it's supposed to be possible to translate it for use in Blender, but to do so you'd have to know both programs fairly well, and I'm only beginning to learn Blender and I don't know 3ds Max at all. The other tutorial is specifically for Blender and it looks really good, but it's in German and I don't speak or understand German. I'd like to find something like that one in English. That'd be nice. And if anybody's curious, I put the links to those in the description. Well, anyway, that's about the size of it. Trying to figure out ways to do that Kawoosh effect. I know one way to do it that basically involves masking it out and then keyframing it frame by frame using a video clip of one. But frankly, I think it would be a whole lot better to use one generated from within Blender, because then I can get any camera angle I want on it that way. Anyway, anybody knows anything about anything like that, I sure appreciate hearing about it. Take it easy, all. Time for me to make my grand exit. Take it easy, y'all.
He is the Tinfoil chef, and the frog just doesn't give a shit.
Hello all, it's Wednesday, June the 30th. Ah yes, the Stargate Kawoosh. This would be another thing that has inspired the Boob to demonstrate his linguistic skills on several occasions in the last several weeks. If even half of the things I've heard him say about Google and assorted Blender and 3D modeling forums were true, you would want to wear rubber gloves when using them and then wash your hands in gasoline afterward. As for the Boob's birthday, can you believe I actually forgot it? Then again, I suppose it's fair. He never remembers mine. There are 6 new subscribers. DJ House 33, EDJGIOVY 56, yanerlznotu, No Film, AuroraKismett, monaviecoach. And this last subscriber is obviously someone that is trying to troll the Boob or myself. The effort is wasted, however, because I am not going to read that username aloud. What I don't understand is why someone would go to all the trouble of creating an extra YouTube account just to do something like that. Isn't such a pejorative wasted when the target doesn't know who is using it and why it is being used? Then again, I suppose some people have more time than brains. The previous question of the day: do you think I'm in a rut? Today's question of the day: what is the dumbest thing you've done because someone dared you to? The dirty word of the day: implement.
Here's the tinfoil chef.